Well, hello, my lovelies. Thank you guys for tuning into the channel today. You guys, we have such a booming bomb job today, you guys. So this position is from PayPal. You guys, this career, let me tell you about this career. This career is relatively very easy to do, you guys. And I picked this career out for you guys because in this career path, they hire mostly minorities, and if you're a triple minority, which means if you are, well, a double minority, which means you are African American, Asian, Hispanic, and you are a woman, you guys would be a shoe in for this job because these are the people that they normally hire. So this is going to be a great position for you guys. And even if you are not those things, you guys, still apply, okay? Still apply. Use my virtual resume template kit, you guys. It is now paying for. You have a no work, no pain, no thought resume, professional resume within 10 minutes, you guys. 10 easy minutes. And I created this for you guys so that you can have a professional resume so that you can apply, you guys, because this career is amazing. This career opportunity is absolutely amazing, you guys. So this career opportunity, it is remote. It has full benefits, you guys. No degree required, and this makes up to $136,000, you guys. You guys, go ahead and put your resume in. Literally, let's sit down right now today so I can explain the job to you guys. I'm not going to hold you because this job is absolutely amazing. Go get the virtual resume template kit. Apply for this job within the next 15 minutes, you guys. Take 15 minutes out of your day with the resume template kit to apply for this great position. So we're going to get right into this right now. Let's go out to the shout outs of the day really quick. So my shout outs of today, we have Talisha A, you guys. I'm so proud of you, girlie. So Miss Talisha A, she got an offer. She used the resume rewrite session, you guys. She used her resume rewrite session. I am so proud of you, my babe. Okay, so she used it. She rewrote her whole resume, you guys. She rewrote the whole thing, and she got an offer for $163,000, guys. Life changing opportunity. We have him, Roberto G. I hope I'm saying that right. Don't kill me, okay? And he got an offer for $170,000, you guys. He used the resume template kit and rewrote his skills from my pre-written skills, my pre-written experiences for you guys, and the pre-written summary. Y'all, he got the job. Well, he got the offer. He got the job. He got the offer. 170,000. And Mr. Terrence H. He also used the virtual resume rewrite session, you guys, and I'm so proud of you, Mr. Terrence H. And he got an offer for $160,000, you guys. You guys, along with the resume rewrite session, what I did was, oh, I totally put out that, I totally laid it out for you guys. And with that virtual resume rewrite session, even if you don't have the experience, I have the pre-written experiences for you. Even if you don't know how to construct a professional bio for your resume, I have already written out your bios, and it's a tutorial, so I'm teaching you how to do it. Also in there, I'm teaching you how to tailor your resume. So these people have tailored their resume, and I am so excited for you guys to start a brand new life. I am so excited. I hope y'all can see the excitement, hear the excitement, but I'm so excited for you guys, okay? So you guys go out and cop that resume rewrite session. It is doing some great things. All right, so let's go to the inspiration of the day. So the inspiration of the day, even if I don't have the strength today, even if I don't have the strength today, I promise myself that I will keep getting stronger. I will keep getting better, and I will keep praying. I will keep praying, you guys. That is the inspiration of the day, and it comes from my own personal experience, you guys. Go rewrite those resumes. Rewrite those resumes. Believe in yourself. And you guys, I created this channel for you guys because I want you to see the greatness that is already within you. So that's why I created this channel. That is why I created the resume rewrite session, because you guys, I am literally giving you the blueprint of how to tell these employers how great you are. Okay, so y'all go get the resume template. We go get the resume template kit, but it's the rewrite session. That rewrite session is amazing, you guys. Okay, so let's jump into this job right now, and you are going to see how bomb this job actually is. So we are going to get into it right now. And like I said, you guys, this job pays 136 up to $136,000, you guys. And to me, most of the time when they are putting this particular job out, they are looking for minorities. So this job is the diversity and inclusion specialist number 3. And this is from PayPal, you guys. This is directly from PayPal. Y'all go get that resume template kit. Rewrite, go get the virtual resume rewrite session. The template kit is cool, but it's the rewrite session. Go rewrite for this job and put in for this job now, okay? All right, so the diversity inclusion specialist. So let's get into what this job entails right now. So, like I said, you guys, they are looking for a diversity, inclusion, equity, and belonging specialist. Okay, so let's read the paragraph right now. Only going to read the first paragraph, and then we're going to get down into the role of this job. It says, our diversity, inclusion, equity, and belonging objectives. Deepening our commitment to diversity, inclusion, equity, and belonging is essential to PayPal's mission of building an economy that works for everyone. We are working to create a culture that inspires people to do the best work of their careers, embracing the diverse backgrounds, abilities, and perspectives that make us better. We live our values of inclusion, innovation, collaboration, and wellness. We all belong, and anything is possible. So for, I want to say 95% of these jobs hire minority. And if you are a double minority, say if you are an Asian woman, you are a Hispanic woman, you are a African American woman, they definitely love to hire for this position. But like I said, you guys, this position is a position that is a program management job in disguise. So you guys, I'm telling you, I have rewritten everything for you. This is the virtual resume rewrite session. This is a no pain, you guys. No wondering, does it sound right? Resume service. Go get that, and put your application in, because I want you to go out for this job. I want you to go out for this job. I want y'all to get this job, because this is a good old job, okay? All right, so let's look into the role right now. Read it. It says, we at PayPal, we believe that diversity, inclusion, equity, and belonging are critical to our success and help drive our company's mission. The the diversity team focuses on building a workforce with diverse perspectives and a unique PayPal culture that intentionally advances an exclusive and equitable agenda where everyone feels a sense of belonging. We are looking for a diversity specialist, support specialist, to ensure our team operates as efficiently and effectively and efficiently, and to play a key role in supporting our strategic business objectives. The ideal candidate will experience analyzing large data sets and extracting solutions while partnering with cross-functional teams to translate insights into action. Basically, what they're asking you to do, they're asking you to look at the data sets, okay? I feel like this job is more of a consulting job. So if you have ever had experience consulting, being a program manager, being a project manager, being a manager, period, this is the job for you, because you're going to tell PayPal, hey, you need to do this and you need to do that so that everyone feels included. I don't care if you are not a minority. I don't care if you are a minority. You guys go use the resume rewrite session to get you a brand new professional resume so that you can. That's why I created this and it's paying for you guys. I did this because I want you guys to have a professional resume to present to PayPal. This job is so good, you guys. I can't believe I just found this job. Okay, so let's go down to the key responsibilities. It says analyze data, identify trends, and share insights that will help build and enhance target initiatives and programs tied to our key actions in hiring, retention, and progression. You basically are going to tell them who to hire. Okay, this is one of those great jobs. Okay, assist with the development, maintenance, and delivery of diversity content, metrics, and reporting, including drafting and tracking quarterly reports to our senior leadership team and select country leaders. It says support the tracking and administration of the diversity scorecard and activities that support leaders in reaching our diversity goals. Basically, with that one, what you're going to do is you're going to keep score of who's hired and to make sure that they are hiring equitably. Okay, so if they hire two non-minorities, you say, hold on, did y'all hire two minorities? That's what you're doing with this position. Okay, it says partner with talent acquisition to track key metrics for the diversity in the hiring journey, assist with the design development and support of specific diversity projects and initiatives across the diversity team as needed. You guys, all that is saying is that you are going to help them be more diverse. How easy can this job be, okay? How easy can this job be? This job is absolutely amazing. Go write that resume, okay? Go get you a professional resume. Get you a professional, you'll have, when you get the virtual rewrite session, you will have a professional resume with all of these key points on there, you guys. Every last one of these key points are on the virtual resume rewrite session, you guys. And all you have to do is cut and paste it, okay? This is too good to let go. I can't believe it, okay? I cannot believe it. Okay, now let's get down to the qualifications for this role. Let's go. Let's get down to qualifications for this job. It says the role model of our values of inclusion, innovation, collaboration, and wellness, and our associated leadership principles. That word leadership principles, they're talking about leadership skills, okay? And all of those skills have already been pre-written for you on the virtual resume kit. Go get it. You uh, you need that kit. You got to have it, you guys, because you will have a professional, no pain, no work, 10 to 15-minute resume. Professional resume to show them and it's paying for. Stop playing. Okay, it says track record of execution and impact, expertise in handling large data sets and extracting insights that are actionable for the business, ability to work in high volume, fast paced environment, be detail orientated and dedicated to accuracy, strong oral, interpersonal, and written communication skills, ability to handle multiple tasks and projects simultaneously and effectively, strong prioritization and organization skills, and ability to meet tight demand, proficient, you guys, in Microsoft Suites, which is the Word, Excel, all of that, elevates team culture and performance, raises the bar across team by partnering effortlessly with cross-functional leaders, a proactive approach to work and to the ability to anticipate needs, and then ability to work effectively in collaborating with collaboration with colleagues. Preferred qualifications, you guys. Experience with structured and unstructured data, experience with budget managing, and experience with project managing, you guys. Experience with project management. You guys, if you already have my resume, if you already have my virtual resume rewrite session and you rewrote your resume, go put it in. Go put it in the second this video ends. I mean it because you guys are going to be top tier for that job because even in their preferred qualifications, They are looking for a project manager, not the basic qualifications. I mean the preferred qualifications. They are looking for a project manager. In the rewrite session, I have already rewritten your resume for the for the project management, toward project management. I've rewritten every skill for you guys. Every skill on this qualifications, I have pre-written for you guys and included the experience and included the bios in the virtual resume rewrite session. So if you don't have it, you're missing out. You're missing out. And if you do have it, go put your application in the second the very second that this video ends, because this job is too goddamn good to let go. It is too good to let go, okay? So go put your resume in for this, okay? Use the virtual resume rewrite session. And if you already have it, you are already a step ahead because, like I said, it is written for project management. My whole resume kit, the whole virtual resume rewrite session has been written for project management. Y'all don't miss out on this job. Do not miss out. Go get the virtual resume kit, and it's pay the virtual resume rewrite session, and it is paying for. It is paying for. Click the link in the description box. It is the very first link. And go put this resume in. This is, whew, I'm getting worked up because this job is too freaking good to let go. This is too good. And I got a feeling that one of you guys on my channel is going to get this job. I got that feeling. I'm ready for it. I'm excited about it. Okay, you guys? All right. So the annual pay range for this role is $136,000 with full benefits. Full benefits, you guys. And this is completely remote. Y'all, stop playing. Stop it right now. Go get my virtual resume rewrite session if you don't have it, and go pay in for, if you got to, $25, and go submit a professional resume. I have already rewritten you a professional resume. I know that one of you guys is going to get this job because this job is too easy, you guys. This is too easy. And they, more than likely, they are going to hire a minority for this job. I know in a week or two, I'm going to be screaming out one of you guys' name for this job, y'all. Y'all keep y'all fingers crossed. Keep praying, because I know I'm going to be screaming out for one of y'all for this job. You guys, go get the virtual resume rewrite session. Put your resume in, and let's go, my babies. You guys have an amazing, productive day. You guys, I'm always going to say this. Pour into you, okay? I've talked to so many of you guys. Y'all don't know how your comments touch me. You guys don't know how special you are in my eyes, okay? I want this for you, and the reason why this channel is growing, it is because you guys are growing. And I'm so I'm, I'm amazed at the growth. But I'm really not amazed because I knew it was in you. I'm just helping bring it out. You guys have a great day, amazing day, okay? All right, bye.